Okay. Hello. So, dear students, today we are going to learn our next topic, that is about the sound. So, regarding the sound topic, you have already information, some basic information in class 6 and 7. In class 8, we are going to elaborate this topic in details, simply in the way of how the sound is going to produce, what the define we have, the definition of sound. We have, as per the definition concern, we can say that it is the form of energy. It is the form of energy. With that, we can enable to hear. With that, we can enable to hear. But how the sound is going to produce, that is important. So the sound is going to produce due to the vibration of any object. See that is in your book also. Here some musical instruments are given. We can hear the sound, the sitar, tabla, flute, harmonium. There are so many sounds around us that can give their existence. That sound is there. But now the question is that how this sound is going to produce, how we can hear that sound, what is the mechanism behind that sound. As we say that sound is produced due to the vibration. But what do you mean by actually vibration? So in class 7, we have learned one topic as a motion. In that, we have just discussed one kind of a motion that is known as a oscillatory motion. We have known as a oscillatory motion. So what is that oscillatory motion? So oscillatory motion is nothing but what? It is a to and fro motion of an object is known as a vibration, or it is an oscillatory motion. To and fro motion, as I have given the example of simple pendulum. As we know that simple pendulum, just simply one stretched string is there, bob is attached, okay, and it moves like that, to and fro motion. Okay, so in that case, even the swing, okay, sometime what simply a swing, whenever you take a swing also, it produce to and fro motion. It means produce in terms of vibrations. So in terms of in details, that operation is also called wave. Also in terms of other, it also have another term as a wave. So we can say that this sound is produced in the form of vibrations or in the form of wave, that we are going to see in detail what kind of wave is there. So wave is nothing but what we can say that it is one kind of a vibrations. There is a change in motion, that there is a change in the particle in the nature of the motions, that is called as a wave. So there are basically two kind of waves are there. One is transverse wave and second one is longitudinal wave. Okay, so here sound is the which kind of a wave? Sound is the longitudinal wave. We will elaborate that what kind of a longitudinal wave, what kind of a transverse wave. In last class 7 or 6 also we have know that the sound which is produced, okay, whenever the direction of that wave is parallel to the motion, then it is a longitudinal wave, and when it is perpendicular to the direction of propagation, it is a transverse wave. So we will discuss in these wave terms later word, but right now what we are focusing on that vibration. So simply the sound is going to produce with the help of vibration. So that is important terms. So anything, whenever there is vibrations occur, in terms of simply let's take the example of that tabla. Whenever we just give flick on that stretched membrane, tabla जो है, tabla जो है stretched membrane आहे, whenever we just थाप मारतो आपण म्हणतो simply what there is vibrations, we can feel that. Okay, even what you can feel this vibration of sound, some kind of a wave. How I can say that sound is produced, some kind of a vibration, sound, some kind of a wave is going to occur. Let's do one simple activity. Take your hand close to your mouth and speak something. Just take your hand, this mouth, to your simply mouth close, okay, and you can observe there is something is going to hammer, there's going to something strike on your hand. So it gives the existence of that there is something, sound is produced, sound is going to there exist. Okay, so we can feel that there is a kind of a sound, so which is produced in the form of vibration. So there are various ways how this sound is going to produce in terms of tabla, in terms of sitar. What it is, a stretched string, ताणलेली तार असते आपण म्हणतो, जेव्हा आपण तार ते असं खेचतो, we get a one kind of a sound. So many things are around us where sound is going to produce. Simply whenever we clap the hand, what happen, we can feel there is something vibrations in our hand, in our palm. Whenever we can just get that clip, we also have a clap for that, so that is produce again a sound, and we can feel that vibrations. Okay, whenever we just attach or stretch any hand to the wall, we have an vibrations. आपण एक भिंतीवर जोरात हात आदळला तरी सुद्धा आपल्या हाताला फील होतं की काहीतरी व्हायब्रेशन्स, वी कॅन फील दॅट व्हायब्रेशन्स. आणि ज्यावेळी हे व्हायब्रेशन्स होतं त्यावेळी साऊंड प्रोड्यूस होतो. ॲट दॅट टाइम साऊंड इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस. Even you can take simple one activity that take two rubbers, stretch that rubbers simply, and that you can just flick that rubber, you can see that sound. You will see there are so many activities has mentioned in your book. See this, simply one, take any pot and just attach like bhander kehte bhander, just we can make a strike a pan simply, and you can feel that there is a vibration is going to occur. And whenever that vibrations occur, we have a sound. Take this vibrating of dish, produce waves in water. See that what I'm going talking about, the waves. Simply one activity, take a water in a dish and make a strike of this spoon, and you can observe in water there is a waves. आपण म्हणतो पाण्यात दगड मारल्यानंतर जसे तरंग उठतात, that तरंग, that is nothing but the waves. ठीक आहे, हे वेव्स उठत आहेत म्हणजे हे व्हायब्रेशन्स ऑकर, म्हणजे व्हायब्रेशन्स ऑकर होत आहेत. हे कशाचे इंडिकेशन्स, हे जे काय वेव्स प्रोड्यूस होत आहेत दॅट इंडिकेट्स देर इज अ व्हायब्रेशन इज गोइंग टू ऑकर. अँड व्हेनेवर देर इज व्हायब्रेशन इज गोइंग टू ऑकर, देन द साऊंड इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस. सी हियर सो मेनी activities has mentioned. This vibrating dish, even this ektra, even manjira, some other taxi in our what we can say that आपण भजन करता सुद्धा टाळ वाजवतो सिम्पली. त्या टाळमध्ये सुद्धा बघा सिम्पली वॉट दे आर स्ट्राईक ऑन इच अदर अँड वी गॉट द साऊंड. वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग that is jal tarang activity you can do at your home. This jal tarang activity, what he did, take a glass of same size and just put the waters increasing by order. एक 5-6 ग्लास काचेच्या ग्लासमध्ये पाणी थोडं 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 करत इन्क्रीज केलेलं आहे आणि एका स्ट्राईक नसेस टेक वन पेन्सिल ऑर दॅट आणि प्रत्येक ग्लासवर जस्ट यू कॅन मेक अ स्ट्राईक ऑन दॅट अँड वी ऑब्झर्व द डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ साऊंड इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस. आता हे ते प्रत्येक साऊंड्स कसा प्रोड्यूस होतो, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाऊ मच वॉटर इज देअर. त्याच्यानुसार वेगवेगळे साऊंड्स प्रोड्यूस होतात. वाईल यू लर्न द म्युझिक, you learn the सात सूर, we can say that sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Okay, so different. Even whenever you play this harmonium, you learn the basic, what we can say that sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Okay, they're having one particular frequency. Let me see the latter word, what is that frequency. But right now we just should understood what is the sound. Sound is the form of energy. With that help we can hear. Okay, it is produced by the vibrations, and this vibration is nothing but the to and fro motion of an object. Okay, just like an oscillatory motion. So vibration is needed for producing the sound. Okay, that's it.